Google Keep is an awesome G Suite app. It is like post-it notes, but you can access them everywhere. So to find Google Keep, you need to go into your Waffle and it'll be this icon right here, Keep. And I'm already in here. I have mine set on night mode. I seem to like it better, but you can have it on day mode, which will be a white background. So when you get into Keep, it's going to be open to your notes page. And what this does is it has this bar here and then every single Google Keep note you've ever taken. Then you can create labels, kind of like folders. And I created a sample one so that you weren't overwhelmed with all of my keeps because I use it for everything. But I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on Google Keep and hope that you have discovered a new Google app that you love. So Google Keep, you can just click here to take a note and you can title it Intro to Keep, and then you can jot a whole bunch of notes. Type your ideas here. And you can set a reminder if it's something you want to remind yourself of later. You can add collaborators so other people can collaborate on the same keep with you. You can change the color of it. So I want to make it teal. You can add an image to it and the image will pop up at the top. You can archive it so it doesn't show up in your main stream, but I would strongly recommend that you add a label to it first. So change the label first or add label and then archive it, and then it'll show up over here in your labels. You also have the option to delete this note. You can add a drawing to it. You can make a copy of it. If you want to add some check boxes, you can show some check boxes. You can also copy it to Google Docs. So when you're in Google Docs, you'll see on the right-hand side that you can pull it up from Google Keep. So a nice feature there if you're putting in notes that you want to then incorporate into a Google Doc. And then when you're done with it, you can click close and it creates a little post-it there. And if you hover over it, you can pin it so it stays near the top, or it'll just fall into place later on. Now, if I want to take a note and I want to make like a to-do list, this one's going to create check boxes. So to do, create video, show keep, and you'll see it keeps adding check boxes. The cool thing here is if you click on these 6 dots, you can bring it and so it kind of goes under. So if you want to do like a main topic and then some subtopics for your thing, and then you can just check them off and they show down here as completed. So you never really use them or lose them. So they're there for you. So that's another really cool feature. You can also use Google Keep and make it into a drawing. So if you click on this icon here, it takes you to a complete white screen. And now you have tools to draw and you can draw all around. And then you can erase it. You can change your background. So many options here. And so I want to be done here. So I'm just going to click this back arrow. And now here's my keep. I can title it. I can put some notes with it. And then I can just quickly close it. And so there's my drawing. And then the next one is create a new note with an image. And so now it'll let you bring in an image and then you can go from there. So if you have images wherever, you can bring those in and then again, keep the note under it.